Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present a comparative study on sodium bicarbonate versus sodium hyaluronidase in ocular regional anesthesia. Introduction. The goal of a safe and effective anesthetic preparation of intraocular surgery was to obtain the adequate anesthesia and the echinacea without creating any complications and at the same time keeping normal intraocular pressure. Traditionally, the anesthetic solution uses a mixture of the 30 ml 2% lignocaine with 1:2 lakh dilution of adrenaline and 450 units, that is 50 unit per ml hyaluronidase. Galindo reported that the altering the pH of the local anesthetic solution with sodium bicarbonate 1:10 mixture with lignocaine or bupivacaine, the time of onset and the spread of the neural blockade could be enhanced significantly. At the same time, it is simple and inexpensive. The aim of the object is to determine whether the onset of the echinacea as by 7.5% sodium bicarbonate buffer lignocaine was quickened produced by the traditionally used hyaluronidase with lignocaine as far as peribulbar anesthesia prior to cataract was concerned. Materials and the methods. Patient was examined for the Best-Corrected visual acuity anterior-segment examination with slit lamp. Dilated fundoscopy USG was done in case of the hazy media. Intraocular pressure was evaluated. Systemic examination was done, namely blood pressure and the blood sugar. Methods and the materials. The OST visual acuity was taken out for the first operation first. The second eye was taken out for the surgery 1 week later. The first eye received a traditional anesthetic mixture of the lignocaine with sodium hyaluronidase, and anesthetic mixture was made by the augmenting 30 cc ampoule containing 2% lignocaine plus 1:2 lakh adrenalines with 15 unit of sodium hyaluronidase. And this group was labeled as the first eye group. And a patient who went an uneventful cataract surgery was taken out for the second surgery of the another eye by the next week. These eyes received an anesthetic preparation of the 6 ml of the lignocaine plus adrenaline 1:2 lakh mixed with 1.5 ml of 7.5% sodium bicarbonate. And this group was named as the second eye group. Exclusion criteria: primary and the secondary glaucoma, corneal and the retinal pathology, other ocular surgery, patient over 90 years of age, mentally challenged patients, and cardiac complications of any kind. Observations: out of 250 patients, 12 patients had to be rejected from the final analysis for the reasons: age above the 90 years 4, mentally challenged 1, non-consented 3, cardiac disease 2, unsatisfactory surgery in the first eye 2. The table number 2 is showing the age distribution of the patient. The 128 were female and 112 were males. Table number 3 is showing as far as echinacea was concerned, 35% of the eyes in the group of first eye had completed at the end, completed echinacea at the end of the 5 minutes, 60% patient at the end of the 7 minutes, and 5% at the end of the 10 minutes. The mean time to obtain echinacea in the study was 8.8 minutes. In contrast, 70% of the patient of the second eye group had complete block at the end of the 5 minutes. The mean time of echinacea was 7.2 minutes. The idea of the choosing of the both eyes of the same patients for the was the time onset, which was significance. The protocol and this protocol eliminate the inter-patient's variability and the bias during the statistical analysis. The most local anesthetics are supplied as acidic salt to avoid the precipitation during the sipping and the storage. It has been demonstrated that alternating form in the active form of the drug, and therefore alkalinizations of the anesthetic agent as done with sodium bicarbonate increases through the soft the penetration through the soft tissue and nerve sheath faster, resulting in a First, duration of the onset of the action. Limitation, the potential disadvantage is that precipitations may occur of sodium bicarbonate is added to lignocaine as a bolus. This avoided by slowing the adding sodium bicarbonate to lignocaine fixed volume of the alkalization. Conclusion, it can be concluded that alkalizations of the anesthetic preparation with sodium bicarbonate quickens the onset of the regional anesthesia during perivalvular anesthesia and can be considered the reasonable alternative to sodium hyaluronidase augmentation. Latter is not available at hand. Considering that the precious time can be used in situations where a large number of the surgery can be performed. Thank you.
Thank you. I think you had so many hurdles, background noise, and so many things. I'm sorry for that, probably. Any questions from the judges?
Yes, sir, I would like to ask Dr. Nazneen. You have said that in the first group, first eye, 5% had akinesia at the end of 10 minutes. How do you explain that? At the end of 7 minutes, it was about 60%. At the end of 10 minutes, it was 5%. What does that mean?
Sir, we used a stopwatch and we asked the patient to move his eye, the right side, left side, and up and down.
Why the percentage decreased suddenly from 60% at 7 minutes? It decreased to 5% at 10 minutes.
It probably due to the increase the penetration of anesthesia due to soft tissue and neural tissue.
It means that 95% of the patient lost the effect of anesthesia. What you have written, what you have presented, that means 95% of the patients, they did not have anesthetic effect. So there is some mistake in the printing. Now it cannot be 5%, it can be 90%, it can be 95% at the end of 10 minutes.
Okay.
Another question, how did you actually mix both these things, xylocaine and the sodium bicarbonate? How do you actually do it?
Sir, that was taken in 6 ml. 6 ml, that is 4.5 ml of lignocaine with adrenaline and 1.5 ml of sodium bicarbonate.
So how do you actually do it? Do you take first xylocaine, then aspirate the sodium bicarbonate, or you first take the sodium bicarbonate? Do you take in the syringe or do you inject in the vial?
Sir, I inject in the vial.
You take in the vial. So that means first you discard, if the vial is of 30 ml, you discard the contents. For mixing it with a 4.5 ml, you will discard the rest of the contents of the xylocaine vial?
No, sir. It has used for the next patient.
So it is asking you to take that particular amount. The vial is having little more volume. So what will you do about that remaining volume before mixing? That is the question.
Simple question, Nazanin, can I interfere? Nazanin, have you done yourself? Have you done the mixture yourself? Nazanin?
Yes, sir.
Have you done yourself the mixture anytime? Prepared the... Have you given the injection yourself?
Actually, no, sir.
Have you seen at least? Have you seen
Fine.
somebody doing
Is
it?
it a single prick or both prick? Single prick or both prick, upper and lower? Peribulbar you mentioned, no?
Yes, sir. That is
Single prick method or double prick method?
double prick method, sir.
You have seen somebody doing?
Yes, sir. I have done
You have
perivalvular.
seen somebody loading? You have seen somebody loading the things? No.
Yes.
You have not done anything. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, beta.
Don't be nervous. I think these are the practical tips from our seniors, and that is the way how one learns.
So the concept is excellent, sir. Sir, we can replace injection hyaluronidase with sodium bicarbonate, which is much cheaper.
Yeah.
And I don't know if there was any difference in the pain occurring at the time of injection. The decrease in pH or the increasing the pH, did it have any influence on the pain when you give the injection? Perhaps she has not done it herself.
Forget it, sir.
Thank you, sir.
She is not a
I'm
retinal
sorry
member.
if you joined late, but I just would like to add that previously also we had this sodium bicarbonate, but there was lots of edema. So I just want to ask to speaker, she also faced that problem.
I think she has left.
Forget it. She has gone. She